by the grace of Almighty Allah. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, how are you? Today we are going to learn how to create custom error page with Squid Proxy server. First of all, let's check if I'm connected in internet on my virtual Windows Server 2003 machine. Now, I'm going to connect my Ubuntu server with SSH. Please, follow my terminal. Here, I have 3 access control rules. Local net, which is my whole network, special for some special client, and user, which I use for testing error page issue. For block user, I create a list file, or you can use as a single source like 100.100.100.6. Here, my IP is 100.100.100.6. If I want to block this user and render a custom error page for the user, first I need to declare deny info with error page name and its access control source, and then deny HTTP access for that access control source. And finally, for custom error page, I must assign the location of error page. Now, reconfigure and reload Squid Proxy server. Let's check again if I'm connected with internet. Here it's showing me I'm not eligible to access internet for this time. Now try another rule. I'm going to block this user for monthly payment issue. Repeat previous process, change error page name, for payment related issue. So, it should change its message to payment related data. Now, it's completely blocked the user, for internet and also local intranet. And finally render another custom error page. Remember that Squid error directory is /user/share/squid/errors/en, or templates. You should create your own custom error page into that directory. So, this is the actual process what you should follow. Thank you.